Types of welding joints. Lap joint. Two pieces of metal overlap each other and are then welded. T-joint. One piece of metal is positioned perpendicular to the surface of another, forming a T shape. Edge joint. The edges of two or more workpieces are brought together and welded along their edges. Butt joint. Two pieces of metal are placed end to end in the same plane and welded along their seam. Corner joint. Two pieces of metal are joined at a right angle, forming a corner shape.